Good evening, everyone. My name is Umair, and today I will be presenting my analysis for BIS 606 Enterprise Architecture. The focus of my presentation is intelligent marketing architecture, leveraging AI and the cloud-based enterprise architecture for competitive advantages. So, without wasting time, let's move towards the next slide. So, let's move towards our second slide without wasting time. Uh, so basically, let's briefly understand what enterprise architecture EA actually means. Enterprise architecture is essential a strategic framework that defines how an organizational structure, business processes, information system, and technologies align to achieve its goals. It provides a holistic view that connects business strategy with IT infrastructures. In the digital era, EA is becoming a critical enabler of transformation because it allows organizations to respond quickly to market change, streamline processes, and reduce operational complexity. For a marketing perspective, EA is especially important because modern marketing is driven by data, customers' insights, and automations. So, what's the role of EA in modern marketing? Enterprise architects plays a transformational role in marketing by integrating people, processes, and technologies to deliver value. Traditional marketing departments operated in the silos with separate teams, managing advertising, analytics, and customer engagement. This often led to data and the inconsistent messages. With EA, organizations can design unified system that enables cross channels coordinations, the real-time decision makings. So through EA, marketing terms gains end or to end visibility of the customer journey from awareness to purchase and the retention. Data from social media websites, email campaigns, and the customer feedback can be consolidated and analyzed to uncover and actionable insights. This helps markets delivers consistent personalized experience across all the channels. Another advantage of the EA is the ability to align marketing strategies with the organizational goals. So let's talk about the emerging trend number one, that is the artificial intelligence in marketing. The first major trend shaping modern enterprise architecture in marketing is artificial intelligence or AI. AI has rapidly become a constraint for the marketing innovations. It enables market to analyze large datasets, identify patterns, and predict the future behaviors. AI tools are being embedded into the EA frameworks throughout the CRM systems, data pipelines, and the analytics engagement. The integration allows marketing teams to perform advanced segments, automation campaigns targeting, and personalized messages at the scale. So, if we talk about the example, so a good example is for the Amazon and the Netflix. These systems analyzes users' behaviors, purchase history, and engagement data to recommend personalized products or the media. So let's move towards the second one. Now move towards the second trend, that is the cloud-based architecture. The second key trend driven marketing transformation in the adaptation of the cloud-based enterprise architecture. Cloud platforms have refined how marketing systems are developed, managed, and scaled. Instead of recycling on the premises services and isolated applications, organizations and now using cloud environment that supports real-time collaborations, flexibility, scaling, and the seamless integration with third-party tools. In marketing, Cloud EA enables that integration of CRM platforms like Salesforce, HubSpot, or Adobe Experience Cloud with analytics and automation tools. The interconnected ecosystem facilitates instant access to the customer data and the performance insight regardless of the location or of the device. It also enhances collaborations among marketing, sales, and the IT teams, creating a unified environment where data flows freely. Furthermore, cloud-based EA allows markets to experiment quickly with new technologies such as AI models or the predictive analytic tools without extensive infrastructure. investment infrastructure investment. It enables a pay-as-you-go approach, reducing cost while enhancing innovation. However, this flexibility also demands strong governance and the cybersecurity framework to protect sensitive customers' data and maintain compliance with the regulations. So our sixth slide and that our third emerging trend, that is the data analytics and predictive insights. So the trend, the integration of the data analytics and the predictive insights within the enterprise architecture in modern marketing. Data is the new currency. Organizations collect vast amount of information from customers, interactions, transactions, and the digital footprints. However, without a structured architecture to process and analyze this data, it potentially remains untapped. Predict, predictive sorry Predictive analytics uses machine learning models and the statistical techniques to forecast customers' behavior, performance, and purchasing interactions within an EA framework. This means creating data pipeline and collect data, clean and distribute data across analytics platforms and the decision support systems. For instance, the predictive models can identify high values customers who are likely to churn and automatically trigger retention campaigns. Similarly, predictive land scoring can prioritize the prospect with the highest conventional potential, improving marketing efficiency. So the campaigns like Coca-Cola, Spotify, we'll discuss in the next slide. So, if we talk about the case study with the real examples, so first of all, I would like to talk about the Coca-Cola. The Coca-Cola has integrated AI-driven analytics within the marketing EA to understand consumers' sensations, sentiments across the social media and the campaigns performing in the real time. By linking customers' data platform with the AI tools, Coca-Cola can rapidly adjust marketing and product positioning based on the live feedback, resulting in more targeted and the successful campaigns. The second example is for the Amazon, exemplifies that preferred the blend of the EA and the AI. Its enterprise system and designed to process billions of data points, data allowing for the personalization, product recommendations, and the dynamics. The third one is the Salesforce Marketing Cloud that provides an excellent commercial example of how AI principles and embedded in the email marketing. So our next slides are the challenges and the risks. So if we talk about the challenges, our major issues is the data privacy and the regulatory compliance, as marketing terms collected and analyze large volume of the customers' data that must adhere to privacy laws like the GDPR in the Europe or the CCPA in California. Failure to protect data or obtain the content can lead to the legal penalties and the reputational damages. So implementational cost, complexity, cybersecurity risks, AI bias, and these are the main point. So if we talk about the cyber risks are becoming the more promoting as the marketing systems becoming interconnected, good environments and APIs must be secured against the data breaches and the malicious attacks. Like additionally, AI based is the emerging ethical risk in if algorithms are trained or enable data, they may unintentionally discriminate or deliver misleading marketing insights. So let's move towards the slide. Our conclusions and the recommendation. To conclude, enterprise architecture is no longer just a technical framework. It is strategically enabled for the marketing innovations and organization and navigate digital transformation. EA provides the structure needed to integrate emerging technologies like AI, cloud computing, and the predictive analytic effectiveness. And the coverage of these trends in transforming marketing into the data-driven disciplines that values personalizations, agility, and the cybersecurity experience. AI empowers markets to deliver hyper-targeted content. AI empowers markets to deliver hyper-targeted content, while cloud-based architecture offers the scalability and the flexibility required for real-time marketing operations. Predictive analytics in turns transformation raw data into the foresights, allowing organizations to anticipate trends and make proactive decisions. For firms seeking to leverage these technologies, several recommendations stands out. First, invest in the scalable and adaptive enterprise architecture. Then the supports ongoing digital evolution. Second, promote the cross-functional collaboration between the IT and the marketing teams. Third, that develop strong data governance. And the fourth, experience and innovate, adapting the AI. Let's move towards the references. The final slide presents the list of the peer-reviewed journals, articles that underpin the analysis. The references include recent researches and the enterprise's architectures. AI digital transformation and marketing innovations from the credible academic journals such as the Sustainability, Information Systems and the Fortunes, Journal of the Business Researches, and the SN Business and the Economics. These studies provides the theoretical fundamentals for the understanding how EA enables the digital transformation, support marketing strategy, and integrates the emerging technologies. They also offer insights into the challenges and the opportunities faced by the organizational implementations. So, without wasting time, for the summary, enterprise architecture acts as the individual backbone that connects the strategies, data, and the technology in the modern marketing. As AI cloud platforms and the predictive analytics continues to evolve their coverages and within the EA frameworks will reduce how business understands and engage with their customers. Thank you so much for the listening. Have a great